Alright, what's up everyone? So today we just made $2,100 trading S&P or ES. To be honest, today was a slow day, so price action was just very slow, and I know a lot of people lost today that I follow on YouTube, right? So yeah, so like always I'll show you guys the stats, the recap, and today we're at our 5th winning day, right? So right now I can go and request a payout on StopStep, update their dashboard, right? But I won't, because very soon I just need like 2 more winning days of 1k each, and I can start risking way more. So I'm gonna up the contract sizing and everything. Anyway, everything's already planned. Just there's no point of me requesting. If I request, I can get around 5k USD, which is very good, but I prefer to just leave it in the account so it grows even faster. So yeah, guys, if you guys are enjoying, subscribe. Very soon we'll get a big payout for sure, and that's just nice to see where I started. If you guys go check like where I started on YouTube, right, like 2 months ago, I was undisciplined, chasing the money, not following the rules. The strategy, I always had a good strategy, it's just me not following the rules, right? And once I started to actually locking in, I'm already at my 5th winning day, and I can request, right? So anyway, you guys get it. It's just if you have a good strategy and everything, you've back tested it, you have data on it, what's left? Your discipline, right? So yeah, it's just nice to see. I can actually pay myself right now, but I just won't. Okay, and I'll show you guys everything. Let me just remove this. All right, and what did I want to say? We're back on the grind, right? So I'm gonna start posting every day, Monday to Friday, whatever I lose, break even day, whatever. I was a little bit lazy with posting. It's not about lazy, it's just I didn't see the value, right? But honestly, I'll just post just so I can, even if I grow a little bit in subscribers or view, I'll just post. Of course, my videos are not perfect or not interesting. I mean, I'm still grinding, right? But soon enough, maybe we can have more interesting vlog type of content. So like me trading, then hitting the gym, then ripping the street, right? When I get one of my dream cars, stuff like that. So with time, the content will be interesting. All right, so today we had no news. We have a bank holiday in Europe, but this doesn't affect us, right? So here, before I start, very slow day, like I said today. 422 multiplied by 5, and we're sitting at 1.8 on every account. Sorry. Right there, 422. Last week, if you guys are wondering, I just didn't post. Break-even week, pretty much. I did some backtesting. There's something that I figured it out. Not in my strategy, but just something that helps my strategy anyway. So a lot of these days could have been W days. Now, there's no point of saying could have, but I'll do better, right? But overall, I'm still, following my rules and everything. So today, 2 trades, I'll show you guys that. And yeah, this account is sitting at 1.8. So 2 more trades until I get 3K, and I'm gonna up the contract sizing. So I'll be risking 600 to make around 2,000 on each account. All right, let's start. So today we have this session high, session low, like that. And we have Asia high, Asia low. I won't mark it, you guys already know. Gaps, fair value gaps. On the 4 hour we had here, 1 hour right there, 30-minute right there. I didn't mark it, price just didn't end up filling it, so I didn't mark it. All right, 5 minute. So yeah, I'm very excited again. Anyway, let's start. I don't know why I just said that, but yeah, it is exciting, I can actually I'm actually putting in the work. I can see the result. I can already withdraw like half the account if I want. It's pretty nice. But anyway, so market open today was slow, like I said. So here I'll show you guys. 9:35 we rejected off London low. I didn't get the pullback, so no trade yet. Even if I got the pullback, me aiming for my 1 to 3. So I just changed something real quick. Now it's 24 for 80. Why? Just to make it cleaner. So like that, 24.80. So if I get my profit, it's 1K, and if I lose, it's only 300. Before it was like that, so just $12 difference. Okay. Anyway, so yeah. Even if we got the pullback, I never would have got my full TP until around 1 p.m. So really slow day, right? And there's no way I would have been sitting in the trade to 1 p.m. I would have closed this at like 11 or something. But yeah. So the trade is right there, 10:30. I'm gonna say we rejected London high, right? And we closed at Asia high too, right? So from there I'm just waiting just in case we're gonna pull back here so I can enter the trade, or is this the entry that we're gonna take the trade off, right? From there, 10:35 we close below, so I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna enter right away. My stop loss is wide enough in case price comes back to here, right? And I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. It's 11. I'm like, okay, price is not moving. I'm just gonna close the position. It's already 11. So I'm just waiting a little bit more. Then I'm like, just in case it goes fully down, so I don't regret it, or in a way, right? Waiting. Then I just ended up closing at like equal lows or somewhere. I closed for, I don't remember, maybe like 350 or something, right? Anyway, this is my first trade. From there, I should have just hopped off, right? To follow my rules, 1 trade a day. But I was like, I'm just gonna see what price does, okay? So from there, I'm waiting. Then it starts to be nearly 12. So from there, I'm like, all right, I see kind of rejection again. I'm just gonna hop in on the trade, which I shouldn't have done, right? So I hop in on a trade again, but this time I'm risking like micros, not micros, minis, sorry. So I was risking maybe 100 for 200 or something like that. But anyway, I don't remember. But same thing, price ended up just ranging again, and I closed the position manually. I didn't go break even or nothing. I just closed it for maybe another 70 in profit. So in total 422, right? So yeah, one thing I should have done is trade after 11. Another thing, now if I just didn't touch my position like my rule says, I would have probably went for an L or a break even, right? But I think what I did was right, because price is not supposed to be just slow like that. So 422 on the day, very nice. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow we have faster price action, right? Nasdaq, same stuff. Honestly, nothing. Unless I was trading after 11, I could have seen this being a possible setup. But even that, look how slow, and let's say you enter a trade, it pulls back, right? And then it's already 12. So yeah, pretty slow price action, but we made it work, right? We got some profit, and at least it's a 1-to-1, so it's still money, right? So yeah, that was the recap. Every single day videos around 5 p.m. If you guys are enjoying, subscribe, and yeah, very soon big payout. Thank you guys.